Hey everyone, this video is about how to connect Wi-Fi receiver on your PC or laptop. First, if you don't know what is Wi-Fi adapter, which one is best, check this or link in the description. Okay, currently I am using this Nano USB Wi-Fi adapter. First, connect this Wi-Fi receiver on your PC like this. Then click here. Now it's connected. If suppose it doesn't connected means, go to device manager and port and choose Wi-Fi adapter and right click and update driver. Then choose your Wi-Fi and enter password and click connect. That's it. Mostly this type of receivers doesn't need to install any driver. For other types of Wi-Fi receivers, you need to install drivers. To install drivers, check this link. Now it's time to test this. YouTube. Yeah, it works. That's it. You successfully installed the Wi-Fi receiver on your PC. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps me, subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks.